Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, as you would have seen by the thumbnail, we've bought a project car. We've bought a 2009 CDTi Vauxhall Astra SRI 150 Plus in white. Now this car's been sitting on a customer's drive for a while. It hasn't been worked on, and I just briefly said if you want to sell it, I might be interested. But it does come with a problem. It has no working engine, as you will see from the video, and no disrespect to the previous owner, the repairs wasn't the best. As you will see, there's a valve missing here which actually bent, and a lot of chemical metal was used to repair this. So upon discovering this repair with the chemical metal in a few places, it was a no-brainer, guys. It had to be a new engine. This was like putting a jigsaw puzzle back that somebody had already started. So that hole in the dash is very annoying, but I do have a method to patch that. And look at it, guys. There's injectors in the footwell. There's head bolts on the seats. There's other bits and pieces in the passenger footwell. Where would we start if we even wanted to rebuild that engine? This is how the scuttle was. So just showing you around the car, guys. Don't worry, I will be getting rid of this SRI sunstrip, as well as the bonnet bra has gone firmly in the bin. But for a 2009 plate car, it's very straight. There is no dents, no dings, no scratches. It is very well looked after. Now the alloy wheels do need a massive refurb, which we will be doing on the channel. And another downside to this car, it is missing the front XP lip splitter on the front bumper. But we are trying to source things. So guys, you're probably wondering what I paid for this car. This car cost me the pricely sum of £200. Now I couldn't leave it there for that sort of money. As you'll see, the marks from where I've ripped the bonnet bra on. And this car comes with its own surprises. It has been remapped by ST Tuning of South Wales. It has had the swirl flap delete on the intake. And it also comes with a brand new timing belt kit which went on our new engine. So here's a few figures that I was sent by the company that remapped this car. Obviously the remap will still be in place because it's remapped to the ECU. So here it is, special delivery, our new 1.9 CDTi SRI 150 engine. So upon removing the old engine, we removed it with the M32 gearbox. And we had a very pleasant surprise that the clutch is very, very good. So here's just a little video showing the engine, the new engine, without the timing belt. We had to take the old one off so we could fit this swirl flap delete intake. Obviously it comes with no explanation. When you change an engine, you change the fluids, the oil, the filters and everything else. So that's all waiting to go in. And this rebuild was going so smoothly, guys, until the Saturday of the bank holiday and when we snapped the oil feed bolt. So we had to wait till the Tuesday to get one. But this is how she stands at the minute. But guys, thank you for watching. If you do want more updates on this rebuild, please drop your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.